What's up, my awesome adventurers? Welcome back to Adventures of Ree, where we turn everyday stuff into epic fun. Today, I've got 10 super cool, kinda weird, totally real ways to keep your body strong and healthy. And no worries, none of them involve eating broccoli ice cream, unless you're into that. No judgment. Okay, now let's go. Tip 1. Eat the rainbow. Not like actual rainbows or Skittles. That would be crunchy. I mean fruits and veggies in all colors. Red apples, green broccoli, purple cabbage. Each color gives you a different superpower vitamin. It's like building your own superhero smoothie. Oh, and if you haven't seen my Eat the Rainbow video yet, it's right down here in the description box below. Tip 2. Drink water like a champion. You're like a superhero plant. You need water to grow and not wilt like a sad lettuce. Try to drink 5 to 8 cups a day. Bonus points if you chug it like a dramatic action hero. Tip 3. Move it or lose it. Just kidding, you won't lose it. But your body loves to move. Dance like a jellybean, run like a cheetah on roller skates. Just get your heart pumping for at least 60 minutes every day. Your body and brain will thank you. Tip 4. Protein Power Activate. Protein builds your muscles like you're secretly training to become a ninja. Beans, peanut butter, tofu. Basically, the stuff that makes you go roar. Try adding a little to each meal and you'll be flexing like Mini Hulk. Tip 5. Sit like a pro. No more slouching like sleepy spaghetti noodle. Keep your back straight, shoulders back, and pretend there's an invisible crown on your head. Royal posture powers activate. Wait, are you smiling? Then you better smash that like button, click subscribe, and ring that bell like it's recess time. And hey, drop your favorite healthy snack in the comments. I need new snack ideas that don't involve ketchup and pickles. Tip 6. Sleep glorious sleep. When you snooze, you grow, your brain sorts stuff, and you become 10% more magical. Not scientifically proven, but it feels right. Aim for 9 to 12 hours of sleep and try to stop using screens before bed. Even I put my tablet to bed. Tip 7. Scrub-a-dub those hands. Germs are tiny invisible ninja villains trying to crash your body's fun party. Defeat them with warm water, soap, and 20 seconds of power scrubbing. Sing the ABCs or make up a washing dance. Just don't fling soap into your sibling's eye again. Tip 8. Relax, my friend. Even superheroes take naps. whether it's drawing, reading, or just staring dramatically into the distance. Chill time helps your brain reset. Tip 9. Build your skeleton fortress. Bones need calcium to stay strong and not wiggle like noodles. Drink milk, eat leafy greens, or try plant-based milks with calcium. Because wobbly bones, not the vibe. Tip 10. If something doesn't feel right, speak up. Whether your tummy feels weird or you're feeling down, your family, teachers, or doctors are there to help. Even superheroes have sidekicks. You're not alone. Okay, speedy recap. Here we go. Eat colorful stuff. Drink your water. Move that body. Get your protein. Sit like a tall royal spaghetti. Sleep like a legend. Wash those grubby hands. Chill your beans. Strong bones, strong you. Ask for help if you need it. Thanks for coming along on this healthy adventure with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell like it's snack time. And check out the Eat the Rainbow video if you haven't. It's packed with fruit-powered fun. I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!
Oh, and if you haven't seen my Eat the video, why would I eat the video?
Tip 4. Protein Power Active. Protein builds your muscles like your secret. Tip 9. Build your skeleton. Chill time helps your brain